Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this account might include sensitive content here on X. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your X app, or it could be on the web browser. Now, once you're on your profile here on your dashboard, tap on your profile right here at the top left, tap on it. Now go ahead and go to the very bottom and tap on settings and support. Okay. Tap on it, and here we have settings and privacy. Tap on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and look for privacy and safety, all right, which is right here. Just tap on it. Now, under your X activity, go ahead and find content you see, okay, this one. Tap on it. Now go ahead and look for sensitive media, right here. Tap on it. Now make sure that everything right here is turned on or enabled. As you can see here, I have mine set to never show this, and that's why we do have that pop-up or error. Okay, tap on H. If you want to, you can go ahead and warn. If not, just go ahead and show all. Okay, adult content, show all. Go back, other, show all. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.